Thiko ithatu kirumaniririo cia guthikiririo gwa ciira wa BBI thiini wa igoti-ini nicikinyire muthia na kuhingura mweke kuri acirithania mugwanja a igoti riri guthurima wira uria uheanitwo ni miena yeri iria irang'ethanagira mbere ya gucoka kuheana itua riao.
An imposition.
No thiini wa gikaro giki kia muthia uritu wa miario ni wonekanire guthiururukiria kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC na Ciuria ni cieyumiririe acirithania magitha utauku. Wa kana IEBC niyombitwo kuringana na watho igitwarithia nambere mutaratara wa kwenda gucenjia gatiba. Ihinda-ini riu yari na makamishina atatu tu hari mugwanja aria mabataranitie.
30 by elections that had taken place, and I dare add that even the election of the President of the Court of Appeal was done during this period. What is the status in law of these actions that were taken when you said the commission was not properly constituted?
You cannot say this constitutional commission is legitimate because to be legitimate it requires only 3 commissioners. But notwithstanding its legitimacy, it can make no decision because there is no law, because there is no law regulating quorum.
Quorum cannot be a minority of that set composition.
Ciuria kingi kiria kirongoreirie IEBC ni gia kana ni ari na wigiriki wa gutigirira muingi no akuruhanio na njira igwete mutaratara-ini wa BBI.
As the constitution allows some broad parameters that can be used for public participation.
The process of constitutional review under Article 257 is incremental, and that it establishes several areas where public participation is to be done.
Riendekithia ria kuongerera icigo 70 cia ubunge ni ndeto enge gucaniirio kimeciria ni mawakiri hamwe na acirithania. Gukigia na kiuria kia wigiririki wa IEBC ni uriku na kana riendekithia ria BBI ni riagararite mahinya maria IEBC igathekeirwo ni gatiba megi ugai wa mihaka.
Public participation was not enough. The use of the website. What would you be suggesting could be a method that the IEBC could use in order to reach the Kenyans who you say were not reached?
The process of boundary delimitation is removed from the political organs, and the IEBC should shepherd the whole process and guide the people in terms of the whole process.
Hamwe na maundu mangi maria mathire na mbere na kuyumiria ni wigie kana ni kuri na icunji cia gatiba citabatie ni gucenjio na ningi wigie kana president ni mugitire ni watho guthitangwo ari wabici-ini na kana no ambiririe mutaratara wa gucenjia gatiba.
A patrimonial way.
Kwa ihinda riri maitho mothe magukorwo marongoreirie itua riria rikuheanwo ni acirithania ya mugwanja. Itua riria athomi a maundu ma kiuteti maugite no rigaruranie uteti wa githurano kinene kia mweri wa kanana na muno angikorwo BBI ni kuriukio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.